Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can set charging limit on your iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to extend your iPhone battery life and you want to set this charging limit, guys, what you need to do is, what you want to do first is, of course, enable the optimized battery charging and battery settings. So you want to go to your iPhone settings and click on battery. Okay, after you click on battery, what you're going to do is you want to tap battery health and charging. Then you want to toggle on optimized battery charging, toggle this option on. Now what this feature does, guys, is it enables you to change your charge limit. You can of course do a slider right here and reduce your charging limit. What you're going to do is you want to limit charging beyond 80% until you actually need it. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to set up automation with shortcuts. So open the shortcuts app and create a new automation. Okay, you want to select the battery level as the trigger and set it to stop at charging at your desired limit, for example 80%. Then you want to just run the script or connect to a smart plug that can turn off when the limit is reached. Also, what you can do is you can use a smart plug for manual control. Just purchase a smart plug compatible with HomeKit or another app. And then what you're going to do is you're going to program this smart plug to stop providing power once the desired charge limit is actually reached. And then, of course, guys, you want to enable battery notifications. Set a battery notification in the shortcuts app to alert you when your iPhone reaches a certain percentage. Then you can also decide to, you know, unplug it manually. So by combining these features, guys, you can better manage your iPhone's charging habits and preserve the battery health. So guys, I hope this video provided some value to you. If it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.